For this exercise, a piece of paper with a grid would be tremendously helpful. Start by drawing 6 equidistant lines, and so you get 5 spaces that are the perfect proportion for your little guys. With this reference in mind, you can start to play with the position. First, head and neck. You can incline the head or the neck or both to achieve different effects. Then you have arms, very important, the most important part for the body expression. You can use the curved lines for a smoother effect, or you can draw angles for the elbows for a more incisive expression, or you can combine both as you prefer. Then we have the body. The secret here is the relation between shoulder and hips, and the side, the lines that connect the two of them. Straight or bent, you can give a different character, different expression to your body, to your guys. Then here another one. Okay. Very anxious. Now we have the legs. Same as the arm, you have 3 articulations to play with: hips, knees, and ankles. And also with the legs, and you can have a tremendous effect of the meaning of your character. Look at this: smooth curves and straight arms. And pay attention to the feet that are extremely important to determine the orientation of your character. Look at this. The one looks up, the first on the left looks up, and the other looks down. Now it's time to put everything together, and I use a double line to enhance the effect. Again, here is this stiff, very anxious, a bit angry guy waiting. Then there is this one who is thinking, who is pacing, walking, immersed in his thought. And with all the joints, the articulation you have, you can really reproduce a lot of effects. Look at this shoulder, very bent shoulder, and crossed legs and feet. Now, a smooth criminal. Okay, next one. And you can also reproduce very precise position. This guy is doing Tai Chi Chuan, and particularly this position in 108 Yang form. This position is called Tan Tien. Very precise. Okay. Now the last one is for you. This guy is slightly bending toward you, very friendly, bent knees, not aggressive, and give you a pencil. It's turn to do your homework.